Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Asnatul Fadilah. In this video, I will read article by Mir Salmaini. The title of article is Development of Discovery Learning Based Teaching Materials to Improve Students' Critical Thinking Abilities in the Curriculum Merdeka in Class 5 of Elementary School. The article by Yuris Nasri, Firma, Muhammadi, and Salmaini from University of Padang. Abstract. This research was motivated by findings from initial identification, talk interviews, and observation at SDN 18-5 Koto Timur, which revealed that 5th grade students face difficulties in science and technology subjects, especially regarding low enthusiasm and active participation in learning. The type of research used is research and development with the EDDEA Development Global. In this development research, the research subjects were 30 class 5 students, and the research object was the development of TL-based teaching materials to improve student critical thinking skills. Data collection techniques use validation sheets, practically questionnaires, and learning outcomes tests. Based on the result of the development research carries out, the validity result of the Merdeka Curriculum Techniking module obtained an average of 89%, very valid. The material expert validator obtained a result of 90%, very valid. The results for the language experts were 93%, very valid, and media expert acquisition was 85% valid. The practicality of the module was test taught individual trials on 8 students at SDN 18-5 Koto Timur and 8 students at SDN 1-5 Koto Timur, resulting in an average total score of 88% and 86%, which was categorized as very practical. In small group trials with 10 students in each school, average score reached 93% and 88%, also in the very practical category. Limited group trials with 15 students in each school saw average score of 92% and 91%, remaining in the very practical category. This research confirmed that the module was well received and demonstrated consistent practically across different groups of learners, proving its effectiveness and usefulness as a teaching material. Keyword: critical thinking and discovery learning. Introduction. Basic education in the initial education for every child, while formal and informal, which takes place from around 3 years of age to with at least 12 to 19 years of age. Basic education is a passport that individuals really need to live and able to choose what they do, take part in building a future society collectivity, and continuously learning. Basic education is the lowest level of education in the national education system as stipulated in Law Number 24 concerning the national education system. Basic education can develop attitudes and abilities, provide the basic abilities and skills needed to prepare students to future education. Education is a process in order to influence students so that they can adapt as best as possible to their environment and actively bring about change in themselves that enable them to function strongly in society. In the world of education, there are many components that support the continuity of education, one of which is the curriculum. The curriculum is defined as a program that is facilitated to support students. The program referred to in this case is a learning process. Meanwhile, according to Law Number 2 of 23 concerning the national education system, the curriculum is a set of plans and arrangements regarding objective, content and learning materials as well as method used as guidance for implementing learning activities to achieve educational goals. So it can be concluded that the curriculum is learning tool that acts as a reference in carrying out of learning process in accordance with the expert education goals. As time goes by, it cannot be denied that the curriculum in force in Indonesia will continue to undergo change to make it more adaptive to the demands of the times. As is currently happening, a new curriculum has been launched which is designed not only to meet educational goals but to be more effective and interestingly repeat developments and the curriculum in question in the Curriculum Merdeka. One of the learning research that can be used in learning with the Curriculum Merdeka approach is modules. A module in this context is a learning unit designed in structured and modular manner where students can study independently or in small groups according to their respective learning rhythm. According to Aminah et al., modules in the Merdeka curriculum are learning resources designed to offer comprehensive guidance to students in independent or group study, which are focused on flexibility and freedom in exploring the material. Teachers play a key role in this process by providing initial guidance, facilitating discussion or problem solving, and providing meaningful feedback to move students toward deeper understanding. They are also responsible for ensuring that the modules are well designed according to curriculum needs and student potential, so as to interest student motivation and interest in learning through meaningful and student-centered learning experience. The role of teacher is very much needed to motivate student enthusiasm of learning because teachers are seen as people know a lot about learning conditions and also the learning problem faced by students. Critical thinking is very useful for 5th grade students because from this age point of view, students have entered at the stage of concrete thinking development. This development comes not only from external factors, but also internal factors, because students experience continuous change. The brain is a thinking organ that develops through a repetitive learning progress and interact with the world through perception and action. Therefore, critical thinking skills for class 5 students are expected to be more concrete. The problem that occurs is the students are less enthusiastic about taking science subject because most of them experience a lack of motivation in learning. Apart from that, the lack of innovation from teachers in delivering material is also an influencing factor. Insufficient support from parents for the development of good social attitudes and its impact of students' interest in learning has shown significant findings. Problems that occur require immediate problem-solving action. One effort that can be made is to develop appropriate, interesting, and effective learning strategies so that they can improve teacher skills, student activities, and student learning outcomes, namely by using Discovery Learning or DL-based module development. DL is a learning strategy that tends to encourage students to be actively innovate in the process of discovery or exploring new concepts through direct experience. This approach emphasizes independent learning where students are come to explore, observe, and face challenge in discovering new knowledge. By giving students the freedom to discover for themselves, GL not only improves their understanding of the material, but also develop critical thinking such as problem solving, analyzing, and synthesis. Critical thinking skills are the competency that must be trained in students because this ability is very necessary in the learning process and in life. Critical thinking skills are also defined as student ability to analyze arguments, make conclusions based on reasoning, assess or evaluate, and make decisions or solve problems. One effective strategy to improve student critical thinking is to use Discovery Learning-based teaching material. This model allows students to learn independently and exploratively, helping them overcome complex problems. Educators need to have the right tools to train students' critical thinking, and Discovery Learning provides a good platform for that purpose. Method. This type of research is a type of development research or research and development, which is oriented towards products developed in the field of education, which aims to increases the effectiveness and understanding of student material in learning and result. The development steps adapted according to the AD model can be described by Figure 1. First, analysis, then design, development, evaluation, feedback, and interaction and implementation. Result and discussion. Expert validation result. The Discovery Learning-based module developed has been comprehensively evaluated from various important aspects, namely material, language, and media. The result of this validation process show that the module meets the standards set in these three aspects. Material evaluation ensures that the content presented is relevant and appropriate to learning needs, while language assessment assesses the readability and clarity of information delivery. The media aspect involves evaluating the quality of the media used in the module. A summary of the validation result from this aspect can be seen in Table 1. Conclusion. This research product, namely Discovery Learning-based teaching materials, which were developed using the AD development design. Development of Discovery Learning-based science and science teaching materials can be declared valid, practical, and effective. The validity test of the Curriculum Merdeka Teknising module obtained an average of 89% are very valid. The material expert validator obtained a result of 90% valid. The result of the language expert was 93% very valid, and the result of the media expert was 18.5% valid. Practicality of the module carried out by educators and students. Individual trials on X student at SDN 185 Kota Timur and X student at SDN 015 Kota Timur produced an average total score of 18.8% and 18.9%, which are categorized as very practical in small group trials with 10 students in each school. The average scores reached 93% and 18.8% also is the very practical category. Limited group trial with 15 students in each school saw average scores of 92% and 91% remaining in the very practical category. The result confirming that the module was well received. This shows consistent practically across different groups of learners, approving its effectiveness and usefulness as a learning aid. The effectiveness of the module developed using pre-test and post-test analysis show that the experimental group experienced significant improvement compared to the control group. The average score of the experiment group rose from 59.0 on the pre-test to 74.1 on the post-test, while the control group only rose from 46.8 to 51.4. The increase in the average score of the experiment group 50.1 was much greater than that of the control group 8.6, indicating that the experimental treatment was more effective in improving student critical thinking. The range of values was consistent in both groups, but the difference in mean improvement confirmed the positive impact of the experimental treatment. Okay, that's reading article by me, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.